Okay, I guess we're back with another one of these, but, woke up this morning, did not expect an update, and there's an update, so we're gonna see what there is. Hopefully, there's gonna be some cool stuff, but I'm not sure. Saw some new cars, let's just go try it out. First, I need money, though. Okay, so, new cars added. Nope, wrong thing. So, let's go check that out. Okay, here. Nope, still looks the same. Here. Nope, still same. Nope. And nope. Nope. And last one. Okay. Okay, so guess those are gonna be the two cars. Yep, and this I'm gonna be all by myself. Yeah. So let's just sell this thing. Hopefully we get enough for it to maybe upgrade at least one of those cars, because it looks like it's for Benny's workshop, which is gonna be really expensive. And my goal is to try not to go under $1 million. Yeah. Hope it does not cost like maybe $400,000 for an upgrade for the upgrade thing. Hope there's no hydraulics on it either.
What miracle did you want me to perform?
Okay, so sell this. I'll get 800,000 maybe total so far. So let me put this in my bank. No, 700,000. 700,000 to spend. Probably not gonna be enough, but yeah. This is what I'm gonna go for. Okay, good thing it's cheap. Don't want to be spending that much. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, let's do some VIP jobs. Like, sightseer maybe. And get some more money. Not really planning this at all, but yeah. Ah, stop car, stop. Okay, now we just gotta go. Okay, it's not that far. Right up over here. Okay, no. And anything I don't really upgrade in this, I'll probably upgrade later. But yeah, this is probably only gonna be like a 30-minute video or something like that. 'Cause I still have school. Mm, 21, 21, 21. Here it is. Okay, it's been delivered, so go check that out soon. After we're done with this. all the way over here. Maybe when we finish the criminal mastermind challenge, I might buy the other car. Maybe finish upgrading this one. Doing that with Sultan. Yeah. One more package to go, then we can start upgrading. Already starting to smoke, really? Already? And that was easy. Oh. Okay. That blew me up. Okay. He's a pretty good pilot for some reason, not now. Okay, so continuing on. No. No. Okay. Okay, okay, almost there. This one I'm gonna have to parachute out for. Right here. Somewhere. This guy's gonna try to kill me, I know it. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Get stuck. Okay, there we go. Right over there. That guy has his Sultan. That's what I'm gonna be upgrading. Ah, wow. I knew I should have never have trusted that guy. I should have shot him when I had the chance. Yeah, I should have shot him when I had the chance. He's gonna come back for me, I know it. No? Oh, usually people like that come back. Okay, so
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them around. I'll get there as soon as I can.
I definitely should have shot him there when I had the chance. Looks like he's coming back, but let's just put my money in my bag.
What is happening?
Oh, he's up there. My Sultan's right here. This guy's gonna be chasing me, so can better get 6 pounds at the ready, but I don't want to blow up that thing. Okay, y'all know what, never mind. $10,000? What? For that? Well, there goes the money I just earned. Okay, nope, never mind. Wow. It's a Banshee, but sadly I can't take that and upgrade that. This is my bank, and yeah, let's just hurry up and get out of here before he comes back. And no radio. His workshop should be up here to the right. Just gotta follow this all the way down. Okay, there's a cop here. Better go around him. Continue down this road. Okay, move out of the way, cars. Okay, now let's see how we are going to customize this. If only they had the new weapons. Well, maybe they did. We'd have to go check it. Let's go check that. Okay, new clothes, maybe. I think this is only a DLC for cars, maybe. Did say that there'd be new cars, but for Benny's workshop, I did not know like these kind of cars. Okay, now let's see how we can upgrade this thing.
Should be cool
These,
now.
oh. No. That's a little too much right there. Okay, I got a plan. To do VIP jobs until we can get. I'm not. I don't know. Maybe so. Oh no. Need that Karuma. Yeah, let's just do VIP jobs until that, or maybe we can pick this up when after we do the heist. But in the meantime, let's just do some VIP jobs. I have to wait. So yeah, sorry this could not be that good, but I don't want to go under $1 million. I need this for VIP stuff, so I'm going to maybe pick this up later, like after we do the heist, and then I can upgrade then, and I have a little bit more money. But right now, no, don't have enough. So. Yep, I guess it's